Legends of Learning presents the Popo's Power Part Game. This is a science game that makes learning about natural resources fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, help Popo turn on all of the electronic devices in his home by activating 5 power plants: wind power plant, coal power plant, nuclear power plant, water power plant, and solar power plant. Players need to explore a forest, cave, and lake to get to the power plant. Players also need to collect natural resources on the way to the power plant to get coins for the installation costs. This science game will test your knowledge of natural resources. In this game, you will use the arrow keys to move the character around the map. The spacebar will allow you to move to different areas and to use different objects. Collect natural resources like berries, wind energy, and learn more about natural resources by reading interesting facts. Differentiate between renewable and non-renewable resources. Travel to different parts of the map to continue to higher levels in the game. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.